Hello everyone. This is not something new, not even something like Eureka moment, but I thought I would share some Unity tip. If you want to enable or disable a script on your inspector or from script itself or from another script by referencing it, if the script does not have any primary methods like start, update or ongoing methods, the enable or disable function is disabled on the inspector as well as from within the code, as in it won't work if you just say get component script.enable is equal false. It won't work like that. What you need to do is you have to have start, update or ongoing methods. With that, you will see that on inspector your scripts enable or disable toggler is on and it is working from within the script if you want to reference it and enable or disable it. That's it. Thank you for watching, and remember, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.